To troubleshoot Debank Coinbase wallet integration, start by understanding the basics of both Debank and Coinbase wallet. Debank is a portfolio tracker that allows users to monitor their cryptocurrency holdings across multiple wallets and exchanges, while Coinbase Wallet is a digital wallet that enables users to store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies. First, ensure that you have connected your Coinbase wallet to Debank correctly. To do this, go to the Debank website, click on Add Wallet, and select Coinbase Wallet from the list of available wallets. You will then be redirected to the Coinbase website to authorize the connection. If you have already connected your Coinbase wallet to Debank but are experiencing issues, try checking the wallet address you have linked. Make sure it is correct and matches the address of your Coinbase wallet. You can find your Coinbase wallet address in the Coinbase Wallet app or on the Coinbase website. Next, verify that your Coinbase wallet is synced with Debank. Sometimes, the connection between the two may be lost, resulting in outdated or incorrect information. To sync your wallet, go to the Debank website, click on your Coinbase wallet, and then click the Sync button. Another common issue with Debank Coinbase wallet integration is token detection. If Debank is not detecting certain tokens in your Coinbase wallet, try adding them manually. To do this, go to the Debank website, click on your Coinbase wallet, and then click the Add Token button. Enter the token contract address and select the correct blockchain. Additionally, ensure that your Coinbase wallet is updated to the latest version, as outdated software can cause integration issues. You should also check for any maintenance or outage announcements from Debank or Coinbase, as these can affect the integration. Finally, if you have tried all the above steps and are still experiencing issues, try contacting Debank support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide more detailed guidance on resolving the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully troubleshoot Debank Coinbase wallet integration and resolve any issues that may arise.